How to make $100 a day by sending emails. Hey everybody, thanks for visiting my vlog, and I am gonna be showing you right now how you can make $100 a day by sending emails and all for free. And again that easily scalable to 1,000 and even 10,000 per day. Here's a tutorial on how to make $100 per day by sending an email and how to build an email list. Choose a niche. The first step to making money by sending an email is to choose a niche that you are passionate about and can provide valuable information on. This will help you attract a specific audience that is interested in what you have to offer. Create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free resource or incentive that you offer to your audience in exchange for their email address. This could be an ebook, a video series, or a discount code. Make sure your lead magnet is valuable and relevant to your niche. Set up an email marketing platform. There are several email marketing platforms available, such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, and Orba. Choose a platform that suits your needs and budget and set up an account. Create an opt-in form. An opt-in form is a form on your website or landing page where your audience can enter their email address to receive your lead magnet. Make sure your opt-in form is easy to find and visually appealing. Create a welcome sequence. When someone subscribes to your email list, it's important to welcome them and provide value right away. Create a welcome sequence of 3 to 5 emails that introduce yourself, provide valuable information, and promote your products or services. Consistently send valuable content to keep your subscribers engaged. Make sure to consistently send them valuable content that is relevant to your niche. This could include blog posts, videos, or exclusive discounts. Sell products or services. Once you have built a relationship with your subscribers, you can start selling products or services. This could be your own products, such as an online course or coaching services, or affiliate products that are relevant to your niche.